Hi, I'm Stuart Langhorn, Golf Course Director, Beaconsfield Golf Club, Buckinghamshire, England. So one of the biggest challenges within my role now is managing the water. We've been looking for a number of years for a tool that best assists us with this, and after looking into it, we've decided on Soil Scout. What we're trying to achieve, we're trying to maximise every single application of water, and that be on the tees, the fairways, the greens, the approaches. With the Soil Scout, we get the real-time numbers, so it's actually there and then. It's not a guy coming back at tea break with his readings. It's what's happening right now, every 20 minutes. But probably the biggest thing for me is the line of what's happening, because it's real time. Not only do we know that for example, the moisture is 20%, we know that moisture is either going up or down, and then that helps us plan for that evening's irrigation and hopefully maximise every litre of water that we put out on the golf course. One of the main reasons for buying the Soil Scout was to maximise and make the team more efficient from when we aerate to when we irrigate, knowing what's happening under the ground 24 hours a day, 365 days a year.